इस वीडियो में हम लोग वीकली करंट अफेयर्स जीके जीएस देखेंगे जो कि जुडिशियरी पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से काफी इंपॉर्टेंट होगा 6 मार्च 2022 से लेकर 12 मार्च 2022 तक का। ठीक है, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। फर्स्ट, फुल फॉर्म ऑफ आईटीएटी। आईटीएटी का फुल फॉर्म क्या होता है? इनकम टैक्स एपेलेट ट्रिब्यूनल। नेक्स्ट, टीडी सेट फुल फॉर्म टेलीकॉम डिस्प्यूट सेटलमेंट एंड एपेलेट ट्रिब्यूनल। Who has been appointed as the chairperson of Telecom Disputes Settlement and Appellate Tribunal (TDSAT)? कौन न्यूली अपॉइंटेड चेयरपर्सन है? जस्टिस डीएन पटेल। TDSAT के न्यू चेयरपर्सन जस्टिस डीएन पटेल। Slinex is a bilateral maritime exercise between India and which country? श्रीलंका। ठीक है, Slinex, India and Sri Lanka. Which is the venue of the India Global Forum IGF in 2022? Bengaluru. Which state, UT, has inaugurated school health clinics? New Delhi. Which country is the largest crude oil producer in the world as on 2022? USA. USA is the largest crude oil producer in the world. Next, what is India's rank in the 2022 International Intellectual Property Index released by Global Innovation Policy Center of US Chamber? 43rd. India's rank in International Intellectual Property Index, 43rd. India's wushu player Sadia Tariq has recently won which medal in the Moscow Wushu Stars Championship? Gold medal. Indian Railway's first solar power plant has been launched in which state? Madhya Pradesh. What is the name of the multi-pronged operation in charge of the evacuation of Indian nationals from Ukraine? गंगा। गंगा है ऑपरेशन का नाम। ठीक है, यूक्रेन से जो भी इंडियन को निकाला जा रहा है जिस ऑपरेशन के तहत में, उस ऑपरेशन का नाम है गंगा। NAAC, NAAC फुल फॉर्म नेशनल असेसमेंट एंड एक्रेडिटेशन काउंसिल। जो भी कॉलेजेस यूनिवर्सिटीज होते हैं उनको उनका ग्रेडिंग बताता है ये NAAC। Who is the executive committee chairman of NAAC as appointed by the UGC in 2022? Professor Bhushan Patiwardhan. Which Olympic committee has stripped Russian President Vladimir Putin of his Olympic honor in response to Russia's invasion of Ukraine? International Olympic Committee. Who became the first Indian to earn a silver medal at the World Para Archery Championships? Pooja Jatian. Which ministry observed International Women's Day as an iconic week beginning March 1st as part of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav? Women and Child Development. ठीक है, Ministry of Women and Child Development. Who announced the launch of a subscription service called Play Pass in India? Google. Which Indian state was the first to set up a street animal ambulance? Tamil Nadu. Which Tamil Nadu Chief Minister's autobiography is Ungalil Uruvan? यानी इसका मीनिंग वन अमॉन्ग यू। किस चीफ मिनिस्टर की ऑटोबायोग्राफी है? M.K. Stalin. Which country will host the 31st Southeast Asian Game from May 12 to 23, 2022? Vietnam. Which airline's Lufthansa subsidiary plans to be the world's first airline to use solar fuel? Swiss Airlines. When is World Wildlife Day, an annual event to promote awareness about the world's wildlife and flora? 3rd March. World Wildlife Day, 3rd March. What is India's position among the 17 Sustainable Development Goals according to the State of India's Environment Report 2022? 117. What is the objective of the Sabka Vikas series launched by MyGov to promote citizen knowledge? Good government. ठीक है, every year on which day India observes the National Security Day, राष्ट्रीय सुरक्षा दिवस, in honor of the Indian Security Forces? 4th March. The Anubhav, a mobile showroom, यानी showroom on wheels, from Tata Motors is aimed at which market segment? Rural. On 3rd March 2022, Prime Minister Narendra Modi attended a virtual summit of world leaders. Which countries constitute quorum? India, United States, Japan, and Australia. Former chairman of Kapoor Oberoi Hotels, Sanjeev Kapoor has been appointed as the CEO of which airways recently? Jet Airways. Who received the Special Jury Award at the 7th India Industry Water Conclave and the 9th edition of the FICCI Water Awards? National Mission for Clean Ganga. Who will be the Bharti AXA Life Insurance Brand Ambassador in 2022? Vidya Balan. On 2nd March 2022, India and which country launched a joint logo to honor the 25th anniversary of diplomatic relations, including the national flowers of both countries, the lotus and the tulip? Netherlands. Netherlands. IRCTC का full form? Indian Railway Catering and Tourism Corporation. IRCTC, Indian Railway Catering and Tourism Corporation. Which digital payments company is partnering with IRCTC to provide consumer with digital ticketing services via automatic ticket vending machines across the railway station of the company? Paytm. Which ministry has initiated the Samarth Special Entrepreneurship Promotion Drive for Women? Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises. National Women's Day कब celebrate किया जाता है? 8th March. Which is the latest 2021 addition to the list under the cultural category of UNESCO World Heritage Sites in India? Dholavira. Who is appointed as the Financial Action Task Force FATF President in March 2022? T. Rajakumar. Which day is celebrated on the second Wednesday in March every year worldwide? Second Wednesday को क्या ऑब्जर्व किया जाता है? No Smoking Day. Which state hosted the Jharokha Compendium of Indian Handicraft, Handloom Art and Culture to honor traditional Indian handicrafts? Madhya Pradesh. Which state has established a Sushma Swaraj Award for women for their contribution in many fields in the international and national spheres? Haryana. Which country earned the most medals in the ISSF World Cup 2022 held in Cairo and organized by the International Shooting Sport Federation? India. International Day of Women Judges, 10th March. International Day of Women Judges, 10th March. Okay. Who is elected as the new president of South Korea? Yoon Suk Yeol. What is India ranking in the democracy report 2022 published by the VDEM Institute at the University of Gothenburg in Sweden? 93rd. IRDAI full form, Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India, who has been recently appointed as the chairman of Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India? देवाशीष पांडा. ठीक है, तो इस वीडियो में इतना ही. आई होप ये वीडियो यूजफुल लगा होगा. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. जय हिंद.